My bad, I got deaf. And hold on, let me put this to like 50. Yeah, 5-5. Okay.
But did you hear
No,
me?
like, I didn't hear you.
I said Doge.
Who?
Doge. He's someone on the server. He's a dude with like a weird cryptic name.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what he was saying.
Wait, hold on, I'm far.
I am too.
W.
Oh, block him. You're going. Drop him. You know how I do this.
Yeah.
Am I actually gonna beat Black Wizard? Oh wait. Wait, shoot. I'm at the end.
I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, I'm about to beat Black Wizard.
Yeah.
Shoot. Yo,
Nah, bro.
wait, am I about to casually just beat Black Blizzard, my second hardest?
What? My friend is literally going for this in the other VC, bro. Yeah, I'm sending this to him, 100%, bro. I'm 100% gonna send this to him, bro.